Last week I received a very special product, and it was from 7 Potions. Welcome to a wild hair episode with a difference. Just thought I'd mix it up a bit. Thank you for tuning in. Last week I received a package and it was from 7 Potions. Let's head over to the unboxing video. Hey everybody, you are here to watch another unboxing. What we have here is a package that's just arrived, hot off the press, and it is from a company called 7 Potions. Have you heard of 7 Potions? I was really surprised I hadn't heard of them. They are from London, and I got in contact with them. We had a nice few exchanges of messages, and they said to me they will send me a package. Voila! I am excited about this one, I have to say. I got my lovely unboxing knife with me. It does look like a barbecue thing for the barbecue, but it is not. It is made specially just for unboxing beard products. We're in, finally we are in. So opening the box straight away, we have a nice little slogan, or a bit of writing. You're in good hands, let's get started. No idea what's in this. So we got a lovely looking business card from looky. We have a beard oil. Look at that stunning packaging. On the back we've got apricot oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, cucuti nut oil, which I keep seeing pop up now, lime, sandalwood, essential oils. I mean, that is some lovely packaging. And we also have a massive, nice, we also have a decent sized bottle, 250ml of beard shampoo citrus tonic. Try out. And what I also like, you see that red writing? Probably not. What that says is natural ingredients, vegan friendly, cruelty free. And on the back, bottle made from sugarcane. So they're very conscious about plastic and vegan friendly. I mean, that's exciting. It cleans and revitalizes the beard while offering a gentle washing experience to the skin and facial hair. A unique natural derived blend containing aloe vera, wheat protein, and a sophisticated natural fragrance with citrus and musky notes. How exciting is that? And to complete the set, they have also sent me a beard balm citrus tonic. The branding, I'd say straight off, I haven't even opened these products yet, like looked at them or smelt them, but the branding, you just know that they're out there to impress. Even that I like. That sort of honeycomb, beeswax bit of detail on the side. That's an interesting. Peach kernel oil. I haven't seen peach in products before. Or maybe I have actually, but I don't know, I was just thinking with some of the scissor hand stuff, there was probably peach in there, but it's been a while. Nice. Is that in focus? Probably not. Couldn't get any more in there, could you? Finger test. Very soft balm. Look at that. Not many of my videos, normally I talk. But this video, I'm actually a bit speechless. I'm excited to use all this as well. Yeah, so, you know, I've got the citrus tonic in all 3 scents, and you do get that. There's a nice background note of lime. I think that peach does come through as well, I'd say. The sweetness of the peach. And what else was in there? So you got cedarwood, lemon, orange, lime, sandalwood. So it's a very citrus woody. But that peach, maybe it's the lime mixed with the sandalwood or something, but you know, I can get that peach coming through, and I can feel my hands slowly sort of setting up, if that makes any sense, as it sort of cools, which is going to give that beard, you know, give your beard that nice hold. That's a nice scent. What can I say? Blown away. I mean, I wasn't expecting, I don't want to sound rude, I wasn't expecting it to be so good. Yeah, I love the packaging, the attention to detail from the box to the actual product. Even in this, can you see in the packaging here, you've got a little shaving, you've got shampoo, brushes. Amazing. I'm going to get on this the shampoo. I love shampoos. I don't do enough shampoos. Anyone watching this, you got shampoo, send it my way. Give it to me. Amazing. Cannot wait to get this in beard. I'm going to give you the reaction now. We'll fast forward a few days or maybe even a week. I don't know. It might be a change of background. Beard might be longer. Let's head over to the future. Much, guys. I mean, that shampoo just looks and smells the business. I decided to go for the citrus tonic, just really because I was interested in the fact that it's got peach kernel oil in there, and also it's a mixture of citrus and a woodsy smell. I've been using the balm for a few days, and yeah, the in-beard feel is just great. The citrus scent lasts for about 4 hours, and that's what I sort of expect really with UK brands, just because of the CPSR. The oil, great. Balm, great. The shampoo is a thin shampoo. It lathers up really well, and it gets right deep into you know, it really strips your beard, which is what I want from a shampoo. Only use it twice a week though, otherwise you'll kill your beard. Amazing package, guys. Thank you so much, and it's been a pleasure using 7 Potions. Anyone watching this, you know, go check them out. They're a brand from London, UK. You can just see from the packaging that they just mean the business, which is awesome to see. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much, 7 Potions, for sending me out a few of your products. I look forward to maybe some more in the future. Like, subscribe, standard stuff. I'm off for a walk in the woods with my dog. Yes, I am wearing the 7 Potions today. September. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Have a great day, everyone. Subscribe. Tame that hair.